This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's far better than ChatGPT, and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and type into perplexity.ea. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various things and several options that you have to know about Perplexity before getting started. And you have just to sign up first, and then you'll find this account. So this is my account, and let's click for Try Pro first. So we have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with a limited pro search, upgraded AI models, a limited file upload, image generation, and PA credits. You have here standard, start for free, no credit card needed, free forever, and you have here continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, and you have your standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality. Create a profile to personalize your answers. So if we come back to the home, we have here focus like web, academic, math, writing, video, social. About web, we have like search across the internet, academic search for published academic papers, solve equations and find numerical answers, discover and watch video, and we have generate text or chat without searching the web, search for discussions and opinions. Then you can just here switch off. You have here our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. So I will switch on. Then I will just ask something. For example, how to make money on Perplexity. Then I will click over here, and this is how it looks. So the first things that attract me is pro search here. So if we click over this first one, we have here search for ways to make money using Perplexity. We have here how to make money on Perplexity, earning Perplexity. We have make money using Perplexity. About reading, we have here over than 9, and you have here written. We have YouTube first, how to make money with Perplexity. EA for beginners in 2024. 25, we have unlocking the potential, earn money with Perplexity AI chatbot. Then we have here how to make money from Perplexity AI in 2023. We have here make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. We have here 2 ways to make money with Perplexity AI in 2024. We have earn with Perplexity prompts daily and niche prompts here, and we have here Tolify. Then we have here a business plans, 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity AI business. We have here YouTube also, Perplexity AI chatbot to complex make, and you have here Perplexity bringing Perplexity to education and not this for profits. Then we have Reddit here, how does Perplexity.ea make money? Can't find anything about us. Then we have EA journey here and Perplexity. So we can just choose the one you want. Then about sources, we have here various things also. So we have here 7 sources. You can just choose the one you want and you get information. So that's what the benefits of Perplexity. We have here various sources of various things and of various informations about one subject or about one things that I already asked about it. So for example, how to make money on Perplexity. So for example, if you ask about how to create content, you will just see various things and you get started. About the answer we have here to make money using Perplexity AI, you can explore several strategies that leverage its capabilities as a powerful research assistant and content generation tool. Here are some effective methods, and we have the first one, monetization strategies with Perplexity AI, such as content creation for YouTube and blogging, script writing, blog posts, preferences, opportunities like script writing services and research services, passive income streams such as automated content generation, affiliate marketing also, and you have here educational content creation such as online courses, tutoring materials, tips for success, also experiment and adapt, stay update, quality control, and you have here related also, and also you have here videos showing that, and also images as you can see. Then I will give you right now how you can earn money on Perplexity. So let's come back to the home. I will give you 3 ways. The first way is offering expert consulting and advisory service. So on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services. Draw a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing available tailored insights and charging for personalized consultation. So the first website we have here, Upwork. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services, and then we have here services. Draw a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable, tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. Then we have LinkedIn here. To earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consultant expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. Then we have the second way, it's earn money in Perplexity by creating and selling educational content. Develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche. Offer these resources through Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialist knowledge. So we have here udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy. First, develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have Amazon here. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then we have the third way, it's earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store. For example, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced. So to earn money on Perplexity, we have here App Store. So you have just to create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have this last one, which is Product Hunt. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product and launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how it works with these websites. And right now, to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content on and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options that tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to find your strategy. Succeed typically involves persistence and continuous adaptation. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.